Hey, welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. You can probably see it behind me. We're out here messing around with the tractor, and I thought I would build a roof out of some scraps that I had laying around. So this is just the bottom of an IBC container. I don't know if I'm going to leave the metal cage on there or not. I may take that off and then just cover it with fiberglass, because it does wiggle a little bit because it's a little heavy. But it should be helpful. I already sat in the front and in the back so I could fit underneath there without bonking my head. So I have a little bit of shade. So basically it's just plastic and metal. It's the metal frame from the bottom of an IBC container. There's another bottom right there, the metal part here. So it's that with the bottom portion of an IBC tote container to help me get a little bit of shade when I'm out here working with the tractor, because I do spend a lot of time on the tractor out here, and it's sunny all the time, so gotta protect my skin so I don't get sunburned. As you can see, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt underneath my regular shirt, and then a big hat, and then I've got sunscreen on my face and my neck and my hands, so my hands don't get burnt. But it's just attached with self-tapping screws. Some of these guys here, some tech screws, and they have little rubber gaskets on them. So we'll just fart around with this for a few days and see how it works. It does wiggle a lot, and I don't really like that. I thought about taking a piece of plate steel and putting it up there to kind of support it better, but I think if I take the metal frame off, it'll lighten the load and it won't wiggle so much, and then I can take some fiberglass and fiberglass that with a little bit of fiberglass to stiffen it up, and it won't be so heavy. So there's my project for today. And of course the garden is growing very well over there. And then we've got the human manure composting roof ready to go. I just need to win the lottery so I can buy 4 boards of OSB, because it's really expensive. Same with the garden. We haven't built any more grow beds yet. We just can't afford it. It's just not reasonable right now to do such a thing. So we're working on projects that don't cost any money, and just using supplies I had laying around, because that's a lot better than spending money. I'm out of breath. Been out here working all day, been digging with the tractor, and then I've been tinkering around with this thing. And here comes the wind. We'll hide inside the container for now. And I haven't got any more batteries yet. We still just have the one. Covered it up so we don't short it out. But hopefully next month we can get 2 more batteries and a way to charge the cells so that we can level them all off. And oh yeah, you guys didn't see this. I built a box for it too. Apparently you need to compress these a little bit so that when you charge them up, they don't swell, because once they swell up, you can't compress them, and it'll break the terminals too, since these bars are not flexible. And then I think maybe in a couple months we'll have the battery bank done. We're gonna put it over here. I'm gonna take all this stuff, move it out of the way, and we're gonna build a metal shelf here, and that will be where I store the batteries. And then we'll probably get rid of all this stuff and upgrade. We're gonna get a Grow Watt charger inverter all in one, and we're gonna be doing a 48 volt system. As I'm learning more and more about this stuff, 48 volts is a lot more efficient. It is dangerous though. It is possible to touch the positive and the negative terminals, and the voltage is great enough that it can go through the resistance in your skin. So we'll have to be mindful of that. And we need to wear safety glasses and some rubber gloves when we get to the 48 volt stuff. So we're gonna have 4 batteries just like this in series. Each one's 12 volts. So yeah, that's the plan. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below. Give us a thumbs up, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long way. So God bless you all, and peace.